Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You're starting inside Google Photos because changes must be made where backup lives. Sign in, tap your profile, then open Settings and Backup and Sync now. Once there, locate the Backup and Sync toggle and prepare to change it. This is the master control for uploads. Make sure to note which account and folders are active so you don't accidentally stop backups for the wrong profile. This step prevents accidental data loss and begins the stopping process immediately. With Backup and Sync open, toggle it off to stop new uploads from this account. If you only want to stop certain photos, go to Device Folders and switch off Auto Backup for each folder, screenshots, WhatsApp, camera, etc. On mobile, you can also use Pause Backups if you need a temporary halt. Once done, make sure to check other devices signed into the same account and repeat. Uploads resume from any device that still has backup enabled, so consistency across devices is essential. Finish by removing remaining access points. Sign out of the account on devices you don't use, or uninstall the Photos app where appropriate. On Android, restrict background data and battery permissions so the app cannot upload quietly. On iPhone, remove Photos iCloud/Google permissions. If you want permanent control, revoke Google account access from My Account. Google.com. Troubleshooting tip. If uploads still occur, clear the app cache, reboot the device. Then confirm Backup and Sync is off, while signed in so cached jobs don't resume.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.